J from Hyderabad, Telangana. I have completed my BE Computer Science Engineering at Hindustan Institute of Technology, Coimbatore in the year 2023 with an aggregate CGPA of 8.9. While I was in the QSpiders, I have learned some technical skills like Java, SQL and manual testing. The faculty they are helped me in the Java are Tabri sir and Kirti ma'am and Shambhu sir. They all of them are helped me in the career growth as well as upskill my Java, and also manual testing. Nandini ma'am helped me a lot in the learning process, and also SQL Bharat sir who taught me very well. He is the inspiration of all of them. So this is all about my QSpiders journey. While I was in the QSpiders, the every point of the day-to-day life which teach me more than I can learn.